1971 Cessna 150L for sale in Ocala, Florida, 34481. This is a 1971 Cessna 150L, with 3385 TT, 787 SMOH, 195 SPOH/STOH, 162 Since SkyTec started. This aircraft is a hit everywhere. It lends nice paint, tinted windscreen, interior by TN Wings, new seat foam, embroidered Cessna logos, carpet/kick panels, complete cockpit cover by plane covered VFR avionics, MX-170B, Icom A20 Comm, Narco AT150 transponder / Mode C, 2-place intercom, push to talk each side, King audio panel, vertical chord compass, digital EGT, analog CHT, GPF 450 fuel flow Rosen visors, Wag Aero 4-way harnesses, knees pens. Fresh annual, Hangared KOCF Ocala, Florida.